Students, today we are going to learn a new topic in English grammar, and that is articles. Articles are generally used before a noun, apart from some exceptions. A, an, the are called articles. Articles are divided into two types, indefinite article and definite article. A, an are called indefinite article. The is a definite article. Now before we learn about indefinite and definite article in detail, we know that there are 26 letters in English language, A to Z. These 26 letters are divided into vowels and consonants. In vowels, we include A, E, I, O, U, and the remaining letters are called consonants. The pronunciation of vowel is va-will. Now we will learn about indefinite article. A, an are indefinite articles. They do not refer to any particular or definite person, place or thing. That means indefinite articles are those which do not refer to any specific person, place or thing. It is commonly used. For example, an umbrella, a boy, a book. Now here an is used before a vowel sound. U is a vowel, so we use an umbrella. A boy, a is used before a consonant sound. Now what are definite article? Definite article is that which refers to a particular person, place or thing. The is a definite article. For example, this is the boy who had stolen my purse. Now in this sentence, we are talking about a specific boy who had stolen the purse. So we use the. Now there are certain rules which we need to know while learning articles. Article a is used before a consonant sound. For example, a tiger. So the first rule is that before a consonant sound we will use article a. Here we have a consonant sound, so we use a. The second rule, article a is also used before a word beginning with a vowel but sounding like a consonant. For example, a 1 rupee coin. Now in this, though the word is starting with O, but the sound is not O. The sound is V, a 1 rupee coin. So this is a consonant sound, so we use a. Like I will give you one example here. If there is a word orange, so the word orange has the sound O. So we will write it as an orange. Now let us see the next example, a European. Now here again, vowel E sounds yo. Though we have the letter E, but the sound is yo, which is a consonant. A European. A utensil. Here again we have the letter U, but we will not write an here because the sound is U. A utensil. To clear your doubt, I will give you one example. Like if we have the word umbrella, in that case I will use an umbrella because that is a vowel sound. Now let us learn the rules. When do we use article an? Article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. Example, an apple, an umbrella. Article an is also used before a word beginning with a consonant but having a vowel sound. Example, an hour, an honest man. Now in both the cases the letter H is silent. We are not pronouncing the letter H, we are pronouncing the letter O. An hour, an honest man. An O is a vowel, so we will use an. Then in this example, an MBA. Now we use an here because though there is a consonant M here, but the sound is a vowel sound, that is MBA. I will give you one example here. Like if I have the word mango, so I will say a mango because that will be a consonant sound. But here, because we have a vowel sound, MBA, so we will use the word an MBA. So we have learnt that we are not looking at the letter with which the word is starting, but the sound. Now let us learn the rules regarding article the. Article the is used if we are talking about a specific person or object. For example, let's go to the cinema. Now in this example, we are talking about a particular place, about a specific place. So we use the. Article the is also used before the names of seas, rivers, deserts, gulf, etc. For example, the Red Sea. It is a name of a sea, so we use the. The Persian Gulf. Here it is a name of a gulf, so we use the Persian Gulf. Article the is also used before titles. For example, Akbar the great ruler. Now that we have learnt about articles in detail, let us solve an exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable article. Alex is training to be dash engineer. Here we have a vowel sound, so we will use an. Alex is training to be an engineer. I need dash kilogram of salt. Now here we have a consonant sound, so we will use a. I need a kilogram of salt. I saw dash accident of dash car. Here we have a vowel sound, so we will use an. Here we have a consonant sound, so we will use a. Can you give me dash books on dash table? Now, when the speaker and listener knows which object they are talking about, we use the. The speaker and the listener knows which books or which table they are talking about. So, here we will use the. Can you give me the books on the table? I saw dash movie last night. Dash movie is based on dash real life incident. Now here we have a consonant sound, we will use a. I saw a movie last night. Now a is used first time when we introduce an object. In this sentence the object is movie. Now when we talk about the same object again, then we use the. The movie is based on a real life incident because this is a consonant sound. This is dash girl whom I met yesterday. Now here the speaker is talking about a particular girl, so we will use the. Dash princess is wearing dash pink dress. Here again the speaker is talking about a particular princess, so we will use the. The princess is wearing a pink dress because this is a consonant sound. Dash apple dash day keeps dash doctor away. Now here we have a vowel sound, so we will use an. An apple a day, because this is a consonant sound, keeps the doctor away, because this is a here the speaker is talking about a particular person, and that particular person is a doctor, so we use the. I hope you have understood about articles. Thank you.